Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that affects each and every one of us role of technology in our day-to-day lives. We live in a digital age where technology has become an integral part of our existence. From streamlining productivity to enhancing communication, technology has the power to transform our daily routines and improve our overall well-being. In this speech, we will explore how we can make the best use of technology to optimize our daily living. In today's fast-paced world, technology has become an inseparable part of our day-to-day lives. From smartphones and smart home devices to productivity apps and health trackers, technology offers us a vast array of tools and opportunities to enhance our daily routines. However, to truly benefit from these advancements, it is crucial to understand how to make the best use of technology. In this article, we will explore practical strategies and tips to maximize the potential of technology in your day-to-day life. Whether you want to boost productivity, improve communication, streamline tasks, or enhance your overall well-being, these insights will help you harness the power of technology effectively. Streamlining productivity. In our fast-paced world, productivity is key. Thankfully, technology offers a myriad of tools to help us stay organized and efficient. Take advantage of task management apps, calendar apps, and note-taking tools to declutter your mind and prioritize your responsibilities. These digital aids enable us to manage our time effectively, ensure we meet deadlines, and accomplish more in our professional and personal lives. Embrace the power of digital organization and watch your productivity soar. Embrace task management and productivity apps. Utilize task management apps like Todoist, Trello, or Microsoft To Do to organize your tasks, set reminders, and prioritize your activities. These apps help you stay focused, track progress, and ensure that no important task is forgotten. Leverage calendar apps and digital reminders. Take advantage of digital calendar apps such as Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook to schedule appointments, set deadlines, and manage your time effectively. Utilize digital reminders to prompt you about upcoming events or deadlines, reducing the risk of forgetting important commitments. Use note-taking apps for enhanced organization. Replace traditional notepads with digital note-taking apps like Evernote, OneNote, or Apple Notes. These apps allow you to capture ideas, make to-do lists, store important information, and access your notes across multiple devices, ensuring you have all your vital information at your fingertips. Smart home integration. Imagine coming home to a living space that anticipates your needs and adapts to your preferences. Welcome to the world of smart homes. With voice-activated assistants, smart thermostats, and automated lighting systems, technology can transform our houses into intelligent, efficient havens. These devices not only simplify daily tasks, but also enhance energy efficiency and improve overall comfort. Embrace the convenience of smart home technology and experience a new level of ease in your day-to-day life. Health and fitness tracking. Health is wealth, and technology has revolutionized the way we monitor and improve our well-being. Wearable devices such as fitness trackers and smartwatches have become our personal health companions. They monitor our physical activity, sleep patterns, and heart rate, giving us valuable insights into our overall fitness. Additionally, health-related apps help us track nutrition, design effective workout routines, and even promote mental well-being. Embrace these technological marvels to take control of your health and live your best life. Invest in wearable devices like fitness trackers, smartwatches, or health monitors that can track your physical activity, monitor heart rate, analyze sleep patterns, and provide insights into your overall health. Utilize accompanying apps to set goals, track progress, and make informed decisions about your fitness routine and well-being. Explore meditation and mindfulness apps. Manage stress and improve mental well-being with meditation and mindfulness apps like Headspace, Calm, or Insight Timer. These apps provide guided meditations, breathing exercises, and techniques to cultivate mindfulness, helping you find balance and focus amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Access health-related resources and telemedicine. Leverage technology to access health-related information from trusted sources such as reputable websites, health forums, or online communities. Additionally, consider telemedicine services that allow remote consultations with healthcare professionals, saving time and ensuring timely access to medical advice. Connectivity and communication. In today's interconnected world, technology has bridged gaps and revolutionized communication. Social media platforms, messaging apps, and video conferencing tools enable us to connect with friends, family, and colleagues regardless of distance. They allow us to share our experiences, collaborate on projects, and strengthen relationships. However, it is crucial to find a healthy balance between virtual interactions and real-world connections. Remember to nurture meaningful relationships offline while leveraging the power of technology to enhance your connectivity. Utilize messaging and video conferencing apps. Leverage messaging apps like WhatsApp, Slack, or Telegram for quick and efficient communication with colleagues, friends, and family. These apps offer features like group chats, file sharing, and voice messaging, enabling seamless collaboration and real-time conversations. Embrace social media platforms. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter provide opportunities for networking, staying updated with current trends, and connecting with like-minded individuals. However, it's crucial to strike a balance and use these platforms mindfully to avoid excessive screen time and prioritize real-world interactions. Explore video calling and conferencing tools. Video calling tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet have become invaluable for virtual meetings, remote work, and staying connected with loved ones across long distances. Embrace these tools to foster meaningful face-to-face interactions, even when physically apart. Technology offers numerous ways to optimize your daily tasks and enhance convenience. Consider the following approach. Embrace smart home technology. Invest in smart home devices like voice-activated assistants, e.g., Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, smart thermostats, and automated lighting systems. These devices enable you to control various aspects of your home with voice commands or smartphone apps, providing convenience, energy efficiency, and personalized comfort. Automate repetitive tasks. Explore automation tools like If This, Then That, or Zapier, which allow you to create automated workflows between different apps and services. Automating repetitive tasks such as saving email attachments to cloud storage or automatically sharing social media posts can save you time and effort. Take advantage of virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Apple, Google Assistant, or Cortana, Microsoft can perform various tasks for you, such as setting reminders, sending messages, providing weather updates, or answering questions. Learn to utilize these tools effectively to delegate routine tasks and gain more time for important activities. In conclusion, technology is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance our day-to-day lives. By streamlining productivity, integrating smart home devices, embracing health and fitness tracking, and utilizing communication technologies, we can unlock the full potential of technology for optimal living. However, it is essential to be mindful of our usage and maintain a healthy balance between the digital and physical worlds. Let us harness technology wisely, embracing its benefits while avoiding its pitfalls. Together, let's master the digital age and create a life of optimal daily living. Thank you for your attention. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you into the next video.